Echo problems are surprisingly common with the HyperX Cloud Alpha headset. Statistics show that 15 to 20% of users experience echo issues within their first 6 months of use. The good news is that most of these problems are software related rather than hardware defects, which means they can be fixed. There are three main types of audio echo that can affect your HyperX Cloud Alpha. Understanding which type you're experiencing is crucial for applying the right solution. First is microphone feedback echo. This happens when your microphone picks up sound from your headset speakers, creating a loop. It's most common with open-back headphones or when the microphone sensitivity is set too high. Second is system audio echo, which results from Windows audio enhancements and spatial audio features. This often occurs when the Listen to this device option is enabled or when multiple audio devices are active simultaneously. Third is application-level echo, which is specific to gaming platforms, VoIP software, or streaming applications. This usually involves incorrect audio input and output device selection or conflicts between different applications. To identify which type of echo you're experiencing, you need to test systematically. This Windows Enhancement Settings panel is often where system audio echo originates from. Start by testing your headset in multiple applications like Discord, games, and system sounds. If echo occurs in all applications, it's likely system audio echo. If it only happens in one specific application, you're dealing with application-level echo. If the echo only occurs when you're speaking, it's microphone feedback echo. Understanding the audio signal flow helps identify where the echo is being introduced. The signal travels from your microphone through various software layers before reaching other users, and echo can be introduced at any point in this chain. Identifying the specific type of echo you're experiencing is the crucial first step in solving the problem. Once you know whether it's microphone feedback, system audio, or application-level echo, you can apply the targeted solutions that will be covered in the next section. The first step to eliminate echo is optimizing your Windows audio settings. We'll start by disabling audio enhancements that can cause feedback loops. Check the box for Disable All Enhancements as shown in the window. This prevents Windows from applying audio processing that can create echo effects. Next, we need to configure the microphone properties. Access your microphone settings through the Windows Sound Control panel. The Listen to this device feature is a common cause of echo. Make sure this is disabled in the Microphone Properties Listen tab. Step 2 involves configuring the HyperX Ingenuity software for optimal echo prevention. This software provides advanced controls for your headset. Keep microphone monitoring very low or disabled. High monitoring levels can create feedback loops that cause echo. The noise gate helps eliminate background noise that can contribute to echo issues. Step 3 focuses on application-specific settings. Discord has built-in echo cancellation features that work well with the HyperX Cloud Alpha. Make sure both echo cancellation and noise suppression are enabled. You can choose between standard or crisp for noise suppression. Both work well for echo prevention. Finally, if you're using gaming consoles, certain audio features can cause echo. Both PlayStation and Xbox have spatial audio settings that should be disabled. These spatial audio features process sound in ways that can create echo effects with the HyperX Cloud Alpha. Disabling them provides cleaner, more direct audio that eliminates most echo issues. Following these 4 steps, Windows audio optimization, Ingenuity software configuration, application-specific settings, and console audio adjustments will resolve most echo issues with your HyperX Cloud Alpha headset.